a emotional intelligence coach international certification, and this is the curriculum. I'm not going to read the entire curriculum for the paucity of the time, but it is there on the slide. So the first module, the first 4 sessions are focused on your own emotional well-being, because all developments has to start with yourself. Then you will implement strategies to improve emotional intelligence, not only theoretical knowledge, not only definitions, not only concepts, but you will start developing your own self-awareness, your own self-management, your own empathy, and your own social skills. So this is all experiential and the practical module, module number 2. And module number 3 is focus on coaching. How you will coach and how you will utilize emotional intelligence in coaching. You can even specialize as an emotional intelligence coach, having a differentiation with the other coaches. So this is how the curriculum of the 3 modules is. So what I will do, so this is just to brief you, because this is a part of a entire module, right? So this is strategies to improve EI, self-awareness, self-management, empathy, and social skills. So what we cover in self-awareness, how you will utilize Johari window to know yourself better, as well as to enhance your communication with the other people. You will identify your own triggers. What are your trigger points? When you get agitated or angry, when you feel happy, so you will understand your own triggers. You will start writing a journal about your emotions and about your behavior pattern. You will start taking value-based decision making and not only mere situation-based decision making, because most of our life problems are due to we taking situation-based decisions and not value and purpose-based decisions. You start taking it. This is not a theory, right? During the program, it is not that you will understand the difference between the value-based decision making and situation-based decision. No, that is not the purpose. Purpose is to you start taking value-based decisions. You start taking a pause and reflect. You stop reacting. You start responding. You listen actively. You process that. Pause. You reflect and then you communicate. A fantastic skill for a human being. This is what differentiates human being from the animals. Our reflective ability, our responsive ability, not reactive ability. You will start creating multiple probabilities, multiple possibilities. Because generally we assume things, right? Achha, this person has done something means, okay, he is like this, she is like this. This is the approach. With this particular training, we will start creating multiple probabilities, multiple possibilities, and that will change the world for you. You become more empathetic. You start paying attention to what other people are saying, not only their words, but their body language and their feelings and emotions. You start understanding the emotions of the other people. You start understanding other person's perspective with the open mind. You may have difference of opinion. You may not agree with that perspective, but you start understanding their perspective. Mindful listening, active listening, mindful listening. You start mindful listening. Again, a fantastic quality to have. If you have only this particular quality, your life will be different. Social skills, behavioral intelligence. You start understanding your own behavioral profile and the behavioral style of the other person, and you start adapting your behavior to suit other person's behavioral style. Phenomenal. You will develop relationships with each and every person around you only with one tool, which is called as DISC, behavioral intelligence. Application of DISC. DISC is a tool, but how intelligently you apply the DISC tool for behavioral intelligence is the key. Of course, this all is going to help you in managing conflicts, and you start becoming vulnerable. You don't judge people. You Don't have some fantastic ideas of this is right, this is wrong. Right? So you open up your mind, you understand, okay, I have these faults. All right. You accept yourself. You become vulnerable. You do not hesitate in showing your vulnerability to other people. You become real and authentic. Authentic. This is what emotional intelligence is about. And this is what gets developed in emotional intelligence program.